So I want to do a quick little video about steel pricing. So between now, the filming of this, and about 8 months ago, steel has doubled, basically. I don't know if that's everywhere, but I get most of my steel at New Jersey Steel Baron. And it looks like the option to just buy cold rolled steel isn't a thing anymore. You can either get hot rolled steel, which we all know is a pain in the butt to make Damascus. And you know, the other option is the wide belt ground. So they do have an option to get these 5-pound pre-cut, pre-cleaned billets. And basically I just wanted to see if this was a better value than just buying a 4-foot length of it. So when I do my steel, I'm always 1.5 inches wide, and the thickness will vary between 0.95 and 0.125. So I got some 1084 and some, so this is the 1084 right here. I believe the red ends is 15N20. And then I also got some 125 CR1, which is basically the spicy white. So let me open these up. 1085 or 1084 is the blue. Here's one more 15N20. So basically I got enough to do a couple billets of the 125 CR1 and 1084, which is what I typically use when I'm doing Damascus. And it looks like they got black and white for the 125 CR1 or the spicy white. So the question is, how many pieces of this 6-inch steel do we get in 5 pounds? So 6 inches, you'll have to have 8 of these to equal 1 4-foot length. And they have sent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So this is 2 4-foot lengths of steel. And for pricing, if you buy 1 4-foot length of 15N20 at 1.5 thick by 1/8 inch wide, you're paying $50.76. So this is 101.52, I think, if I did the math right, if you bought this in 4-foot lengths. This is $75 to buy this little 5-pound fella. Then you've got the 1084, which should be the same for 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Did I count this wrong? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So that seems odd to me. So I got 16 pieces of the 125, 16 pieces in the 15N20 billet. So we got to get the scale out and we'll figure out what's going on here. So 125 CR1, we're weighing in at 5 pounds, almost 11 ounces. So that's really close to an extra pound of steel. The 15 and 20 billets. We're at 5 pounds, 3.2 ounces. So you're getting more than you're paying for there. And about the same, you're getting more than you're paying for there. And then the one that's just shy of 16 pieces, there you go, 5 pounds, 4 ounces. So you're still getting your more than your money's worth here. So the verdict is, if you're buying your steel from New Jersey Steel Baron, which I always recommend New Jersey Steel Baron, not only are they awesome over there, but they just have some good steel. And you're using it to make Damascus, buy the Damascus packs. Because, like I said, 2 4-foot sticks of this is about $101.50, where this is 75 bucks. 2 sticks of this, which is going to be slightly more, this is the 1084, is going to be $90.20, and this is 65. And then I can't remember the cost on the 125 CR1, but you can imagine you're going to be getting a better deal with this pack. So buy the Damascus packs if that's what you're using it for, because it's already cut, it's already ground, and all you got to do is slap it together, weld it, heat it up, forge weld it. And even if you're just cutting out some smaller knives, this is still going to be the way to go. Anyway, hope this helps.